father, and what will happen? What will happen to my business? Some people, I asked somebody, come on, you give up tomorrow. How I'm a business, it's not a business. What will I do with my business? It is not your business. It is just an illusion. Today or tomorrow, if you don't give it up today, tomorrow it will be snatched away from you at the moment of death. Whatever you are not willing to give up, my friends, today, whatever you are not willing to give up today, tomorrow it will be snatched away from you. Am I lying? Tell me I am lying to you. Tell me I am lying that you will take everything with you. You will take your money, you will take your relationships, you will take your name, you will take your fame, you will take your body with you. Will you take your body with you?
No.
You have to leave your body now.
Hmm.
Why are you so attached to your body when you have to leave it behind? What are you doing? When will you realize this body is like a shirt? You have to leave it and you have to go. Question, over to you.
Shivam Sarji, I have a
Shivam,
question.
Bolo.
Sarji, can an enlightened person come to know his last moments?
Ashok, what last moment you want to know, Ashok?
That
Ashok,
after this he'll be no more, just a few.
how is
Some
Ashok? No, it's not possible. It's not possible.
so some people say that they come to know their last moment and they say this is the end.
You may have an imagination. You may have like that 10 times. You may think it'll be my last moment, or you're not. Some people say today is my last moment, then they say no, again tomorrow. Again they say it's my last moment. Again after 1 week. Then after 1 week they say it's my last moment. Finally it becomes last moment. You keep saying every day is my last day today. One day it will be last day. No. Ashok,
That's right, sir.
Ashok, nobody can control death. Death is not in our hands. Death, nobody knows when we are going to die, how we are going to die, where we are going to die. Nobody knows, Ashok. Nobody knows. Death is a moment.
Okay, sir.
It's a mystery. Yes. Girish, I can see Girish's hand going up.
Shivoham.
Shivam, Girish.
Despite the visible creation and destruction, how SIP remains unchanged?
Despite the visible creation and destruction. Because the creation and destruction is only a projection. The creation and the destruction is only a projection. The TV doesn't break. In the TV, there is a comedy and there's a tragedy, there's a birth and there's a death. But the TV remains as it is. Because the TV is only displaying the projections. What you're seeing, what the creation and the destruction, it is just a Leela. It is just a Maya. So Girish, this, even if you tell 100 times or 1,000 times, this will not change, Girish. This is a Leela. Ye Leela hai Maya, kuch bhi sach to na. This is one line. And the second line is, Prabhu hi ik satya, jag ye hai mithya. दिखता जो भी यहाँ ये सच ना ये मिथ्या. Everything is an illusion. Everything is a manifestation. But Girish, we are not able to realize this, Girish. The problem is we are not able to realize this because we are so caught in this samsara. We are so caught in this samsara. And therefore we are unhappy. You know, my most blissful moments are when I live as the soul. The moment I may have a lot of pleasure in my life, but the kind of bliss that comes being the Atma, that bliss, Girish, you cannot get. You may eat the best tandoori chicken in the world. You may have the most beautiful girl in the world. You may have the most intoxicating wine in the world. You may take any drug in the world. You cannot get an intoxication, a nasha, like you get it from the Atma. Sat Chitta. So don't look at the destruction. Don't look at these projects. Understand everything. Somebody known to you, Girish, they died tomorrow, became dust. How can you come? What happened to that person? He was alive. What happened? Gone. And we always take example of people we know, like people in this group are talking about the Rishi. He's gone. Suddenly, he was such a vibrant person, singing bhajan every day, singing new bhajan and film songs, and he was a very jolly person, singing so many film songs. He's gone. And whether it is him or John, everybody will be gone. You and me, one day we will not be. You and me, one day we will not be. Before it's time to go, let us realize it's just a show. That is the challenge. Okay, next question. I have some typed questions, but before typed questions, live questions, please. Live questions.
Shubham,
Shivoham bolo.
you said that आपने कहा कि we have to give up everything. तो मेरी समझ में नहीं आया कि क्या give up करना है, काम give up करना है कि family को give up करना, क्या करना है?
अरे कुछ भी नहीं give up करना है, तुम अपने mind को give up करो बस. You only give up your mind.
Okay.
You only give up the illusion. You have to give up the ignorance. You don't have to.
इंटरनेट नहीं आ रहा.
ऐसा नहीं कि आप कपड़ा पहना बंद करो या आप खाना खाना बंद करो या आप किसी को प्यार करना बंद करो. नहीं. You be normal person, but you give up the ignorance that is in your mind. Because we are all ignorant and you follow all the fairy tales and you follow all the myths. जो 1000 साल से हो रहा है तुम्हारे हमारे लाइफ में, हर 100 साल से हो रहा है, 200 साल से हो रहा है, हम वही फॉलो करते हैं. We are following all the superstitions, rituals, myths, fairy tales. When are we going to wake up? When are we going to ask questions? Everybody says happy birthday to you. Nobody wants to say no, it's not my birthday today. I was born 9 months before. Nobody wants to change. Nobody wants to be create ripples. Everybody is told, leave it. Everybody is following. Let us follow it. Everybody is doing same thing. Let us do same thing. So Rekha, we have to give up ignorance. We have to catch the realization of the truth. That is the challenge. Okay, we have a question from Roop.
तो एक्चुअली कनेक्शन थोड़ा चला गया था, तो मुझे थोड़ा समझ में ये आया कि we have to change ourselves. We not need to give up family or job or nothing.
Give up your ignorance. That's what I said. And if you like this, if you have missed some part of it, is there? The recording is on Facebook. Just click on the link and you can listen to it once again. Okay. Roop, why is there so much suffering in this world? Anybody? Roop, why there is so much suffering in this world? Suffering is because of karma. Why is there so much suffering in this world? Because what you sow, so shall you reap. Why there are apples on the tree? Because you planted apple seed. Why there are mangoes on the tree? Because of mangoes. Whatever it is, apple or mangoes, it is not luck. You pluck what you plant. Therefore, if there is suffering in this world, don't ask the question why. Don't cry. Don't look at the sky. Understand it is a reaction of your own action. Everything that's happening in your life is a reaction of your own action. Nothing happens by chance, my dear friends. Roop, everything that is happening only by the law of karma. Don't try. You know what? If you only understand the law of karma, we have a new book. The new book is up, I hope, right? Life is Karma. It is uploaded, I hope. So if there's a book called Life is Karma, read that book. It has got 50 chapters, 50 question and answers, 2 pages each. What is life? Everything. Group, please read this book. It's called Life is Karma. We have uploaded this book. If you have not read it, Life is Karma. Everything happening in life is karma. Jyotri asked the question, how life is a dream. So Jyotri, what happens in a dream, Jyotri? Suppose Jyotri, in a dream, you think that you have been given the Buckingham Palace and you become the owner of Buckingham Palace. Jyotri, in the morning you wake up and you tell, you call, where is Queen Elizabeth? Tell her I want to meet her. You wake up in the dream and then they will throw water on your face and tell you, hey, get up, you want to meet Queen Elizabeth. You are sleeping. Wake up from your dream. So you know that a dream is a dream, right? But you're asking the question, how can you say life is a dream? Just like a dream is not real. When you wake up from death, when you wake up at death, nothing is real. Everything that you owned is not yours. Every relationship that you enjoyed is not yours. You may be in love with somebody. You may have son, daughter, father, mother, mother-in-law, father-in-law, brother, sister. All the relationships are over. You may have gold, diamonds, properties, shares, money in the bank. Nothing is yours. Nobody is yours. In the moment of death, you realize life is nothing but a dream. Just like in a dream, when you wake up, nothing is real. At death, you realize, and we all are going to die. Now, Bridget, we are going to die or we are not going to die? We all are going to die, everybody. So when we die, we will leave everything behind. Like in a dream, you leave everything in a dream and you wake up. When you wake up, you can't be in Buckingham Palace. It is not your palace because you are dreaming. You are become the owner of Buckingham Palace. When you wake up, it's not a palace. You're back in the footpath. You're back in where you were. So that is the reason life is nothing more than a dream. We have one more typed question, but live question, anybody?
Guruji, may I? Guruji,
हाँ
may I
माताजी
ask
बोलो.
one question?
माताजी बोलिए.
Guruji, can you hear me?
I can hear you very well.
Pranam, Guruji.
Pranam.
When we are in meditation, we are silent. At that time, we experience God. You know, we feel we do. Whether we are one with God or not, that I cannot say, but we are definitely disconnected from the world. And we feel the presence of God. But once that thing is over, then again the same thing is happening around us, same world and same we. Then how to do that always?
You have to learn the art of consciousness. What you experienced in those few moments is you experienced Chit. You experienced Sat Chit Anand. In the state of meditation or Samadhi or Chaturiyam or Sat Chit Anand, you experienced moments of silence, moments of stillness. In those moments of stillness, you have consciousness. In those moments of consciousness, you felt sip. You felt the power of sip. And then within a matter of few minutes, somebody came and told you, Kiran, kya hua? वो neighbor आई है. What happened? What neighbor? She has brought some good jalebis for you for Christmas. Then हो गया ना तुम्हारा आपका क्या हुआ? तुम आपका meditation को आपका सच्चिदानंद को क्या हुआ? Then you start talking कि jalebi is very good, and then you say you have brought jalebis for me. Let me give you some nice plum cake for Christmas. And then she will tell you, okay, for New Year, let us go for a movie. And then you start calling the theater to book the tickets. And then you start, okay, I'll finish. Aapka anand hai, you're gone into samsar. Therefore, you have to be able, today's session is just this. Are you willing to let go? Rekha asked the question. Are you willing to let go of the material pleasures? Are you willing to be in that state of ananda? Are you willing to spend the priority of your life as the Atma, as the Ruh, as the soul, as the divine spirit? Are you willing, Kiran? Are you willing
yes,
to give?
Yes, I am willing. I am willing 100%.
तो आज से ड्रॉप कर दो किरण को.
कर दिया. मैंने आपको कहा ना, आपने नाम बताया रूह, वो ठीक है.
तो कोई भी आपको बोलता है व्हाट हु आर यू, बोलो आई एम रूह. यू से आई एम रूह.
ठीक है. एटलीस्ट हमारे ग्रुप में तो चलेगा ना. दूसरे तो माने ना माने,
नहीं
हमारे में तो चलेगा.
आपको कोई भी पूछते हु आर यू,
अब आप मुझको रूह माता जी कह दिया करिए.
मैं सिर्फ आपको, ठीक है, मैं आपको रूह बोलता हूँ. ठीक है, हमारी ऑलरेडी एक ए रूह है, तो अब हम वैसे एक आत्मा.
नहीं, आपके नजदीक ही नहीं है हम तो, पर चलेगा. रूह नाम अच्छा है.
नहीं, हम आपको रूह बुलाएंगे आज से. ठीक है. तो that will change your, no, that will change your life. That will change your life, my dear Mataji. Ruh, it will change your life.
ठीक है.
Because what happens is,
thank you for your blessings.
Blessings are upon all of us. Okay, we have to be able to come out and feel the sunshine is on everybody. अगर हम रूम के अंदर बंद करके लॉक कर देंगे तो sunshine कहाँ आएगा हमें? Where will the sunshine come if we hide from the sun?
Yes.
We have to come out. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. We have some typed questions. Sagairaj, how to overcome obstacles in the path of enlightenment? Just like you overcome obstacles when you're walking on the road, just like you overcome obstacles when you're driving, you don't stop. Make it a priority, Sagaraj. I want enlightenment, I want enlightenment, I want enlightenment, and I want. See, just now, Mataji, she became Ru. How did one moment she said, I'm giving up. I am not Kiran. I'm giving up. I am Ru. You think it's easy to become Ru like this? You think it's easy? No, we are all Ru, but we are not able to be the Atma, the Ru. We are not able to, because we are clinging on to this material world. And therefore, when you cling to the material world, you become unhappy. So, Sagaraj, we have to let go. How did air become air? He dropped Ravi Melwani. Dropped. Just dropped. In one moment, pluck. Just like you drop a stone in the lake. Prong, bong, goes. So try to drop it. Drop the material world, Sagaraj, and try to focus on the spiritual world. Realize how to remove the obstacles to the path of enlightenment. Overcome the myth one by one. There's a beautiful book. I think it's not yet released. We have got a beautiful book. It's called Enlightenment. I'm not sure. Overcome the myth, realize the truth. I think it will be uploaded by New Year. Around New Year, we should upload a new book. Sagaraj, please read the book. If you want enlightenment, overcome the myth, realize the truth. Lakshmi, how to get detachment? Lakshmi, hey Lakshmi, very easy. Where are you? How to get detachment? Very simple. You're clinging. You're clinging to something. Just leave it. Just leave it. Because as long as you cling, you cannot achieve anything. As long as you cling, you cannot achieve anything. How to be detached, Lakshmi? Just leave. Just now, Mataji said, I am not Kiran. Leaving. Left. I am Ru. Finished. These are small steps, but they are important steps. These are the steps that will take us ultimately to that state of enlightenment. So, Lakshmi, how to be detached? Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go of the ego. Let go. Let go. Chodo. 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 Lakshmi in Kannada what they say? Bido. 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 In Tamil what they say? Leave it. Uttar. Lakshmi what speak Tamil, no, I think. Uttar. Uttrama. Uttrama. Uttra. Leave it. Let go. Don't laugh. This is the reality. Tashar Modi. Komal is laughing. Komal, will you leave? Let go now. The moment you leave, the moment you let go, you realize God. The moment you let go, my dear friends, you will realize sit in the temple of your heart. We are not able to let go. Most of us in this call, we are struggling. We are not willing to let go. We are holding on. We are clinging. We are holding on. What did air do? Air just one day. I said, boom. Ravi Melwani, go to hell. Dead. Somebody asked me the next morning, where is Ravi Melwani? I said, he's dead. What do you mean? He's dead. He's no more. So this is the way to let go, my dear friends. We have one more question before we go to live questions. Tushar Modi, can SIP dimension be imagined? Cannot be imagined. It is beyond. You can imagine in the sense you can imagine some aspects of SIP, but you cannot comprehend it. Which means, you know SIP. Everything is SIP. Tushar, you are SIP. I am SIP. The sun is SIP. The moon is SIP. The mountains are SIP. The oceans are SIP. The butterflies are SIP. Animals are SIP. Birds are SIP. Fish is SIP. Everything is SIP. But can you imagine what is SIP? What is that power? Where is that power? What is that power? How is that power? No, it is beyond. It is just like saying, can you close your eyes and see with your nose? You close your eyes and see me with your nose. Can you see me with your nose? Can you? Close your eyes and see me with your nose. Nowadays, I saw Amitabh Bachchan in the new thing. You saw Amitabh Bachchan that day? You saw? Amitabh Bachchan is asking one girl, "Ye ladki to bahut achhi hai. Kya karti hai?" He closed her eyes and she's reading with the nose. Amitabh Bachchan in the TV is showing how one girl is closing the eyes and she's reading with the nose. And we believe it just because it's Amitabh Bachchan. Let that girl come here in the Zoom call, let her read in the nose and show us how she can read with the nose. So, my dear Tushar, let us not try to comprehend. It is just like trying to count how many liters of water are there in the Indian Ocean. Can you measure how many liters of water there in the Indian Ocean? Can you tell me how many gallons of air are there in the atmosphere? Can you tell me how many kilos of mud is there in the mountains? Can you tell me how many stars are there in the sky? Can you tell me? You can't even, there's a beautiful song. Tushar, let me sing this song for you. In the song it says, एक सेब में कितने बीज है, इसको गिनना तो आसान है. How many seeds are there in an apple? Anybody can just count this. पर बीज में सेब होंगे कितने, बात ये तो प्रभु जाने. Anybody can count the seeds in an apple, but only Sip can count the number of apples in a seed. How many apples are going to be in a seed, my dear friends? Can you count? You can't. You can cut an apple and you can count the seeds. So don't try to comprehend. Few more minutes. Who wants to ask us questions? Any live questions, please? You're coming to an end. Gautam. Gautam, one question is, what is meaning of illusion in few words? Illusion ka matlab hai mithya. Gautam, illusion is what appears to be but is not. मिथ्या का मतलब क्या है, दिखता सच पर वो ना है, जैसे अंगूठी दिखती अंगूठी पर सच में अंगूठी ना है. A ring looks like a ring but it's an illusion. Gautam, it looks like a ring. If you remove gold, there is nothing. The next moment from the gold you make a chain. It looks like a chain. If you melt the chain, again there's nothing. It becomes gold. The wave looks like a wave. It splashes, it becomes one with the ocean. An illusion is something that appears but is not. You are the Atma, you are the Ruh, you are the spirit. You appear to be as Gautam. Gautam is an illusion. Gautam appears to be. But in reality, Gautam is not going to be here forever. Gautam will be gone. Anything that will be gone is an illusion. A rainbow comes. A rainbow you cannot catch. The rainbow will be gone. It's an illusion. This world comes and this world goes. It's an illusion. So therefore, Gautam, are you understanding? Illusion is something that appears to be, but it is not. Last 2 minutes, anybody would like to have a question? My dear friends, today I am asking you for an important thing. We are reaching a new year. And this new year, you know what's the message for this new year? I think the message is what is the new year resolution, I think. We are going to be talking this Friday. We are today already on Tuesday, in 3 days. What is your new year resolution? This is the message. What should be your new year resolution? I've changed this to what is your new year resolution? So this is the message for this Friday. I'm going to ask you, what is your new year resolution? Have you made a resolution? Or your 2022 will be exactly like 2021, carbon copy. You want it to be carbon copy? Then if you keep doing what you're doing, you will keep getting what you're getting. If you don't want to get what you are getting, then change what you're doing. I always tell people, if you keep doing what you're doing, you will get to where you are going. If you don't want to get to where you want to go, then change what you're doing. Because otherwise you will get to where you want to go. And will you be satisfied? Will you be satisfied? My dear friends, let go. Today, Kiran, she said, I'm giving up, Kiran. So we will be calling her Ruh Mataji. She is the Mataji soul. She is now, because Ruh is the deep divine soul, the deep divine soul. That is the Ruh. And she liked the word. I've been using the word in the last few days and Mataji caught hold. She said, you call me Ruh. Okay, I will call you Ruh. So my dear friends, let go of your illusory self. Gautam, let go of what you are not. I know, Gautam, it's not easy, you know, mother, father, neighbor. Nobody wants to let go. Our mother, our father, our wife, our husband, a mother-in-law, father-in-law, son, daughter, even dog, they don't want to let us go. Everybody clings. Even dog will hold on. Oh, even the dog will hold on to us. Then how will we let go of this world and how will we attain Sip? How will we become one with the divine? How will we attain our ultimate goal of freedom, of mukti, of moksha? Our ultimate goal is to get liberation, to get unification, to get enlightenment, to get realization, to get moksha, to get nirvana. Our ultimate goal is to be free from the triple suffering of the body, mind, and ego. Our ultimate goal is to become one with SIP. My dear friends, every day we are trying hard to go in that direction. Let us go forward, step by step, and ultimately, let us become one with SIP. Because this life is just a journey. This life is a show. It's just a drama. Realize it. We are actors. Yesterday, Rishi Nitya Pragya is gone. Tomorrow, one of us will go. Somebody comes on the earth stage and somebody will go. But before you go, realize the show. Before you go, realize who I am. And when you know who am I, then when you go, you will become one with the Lord in the sky. I bow down to you for your patience and your presence. Shivoham, see you tomorrow at 8.